Sounds like an 87 Cavalier.
Sounds like
With a hole in the exhaust.
So let's get started here. I got the rear hood open. I got the car jacked up. I got some wheel chocks under the wheels on both sides. Safety first. I have the rear end up under some jack stands. Got it about, I don't know, 6 inches off the ground. They say to put this on a lift, but who has a lift? Okay, first off, we got to take off the bumper. I didn't want to, but it looks like I have to take off the inner fender liner to get to 2 bolts on there and then on the other side. This bolt on the fender is really hard to see, so I'm gonna go underneath on my back where I can see it and use a really long extension to reach it. There it is. This is a little tricky for me because I didn't know what to do. But now that I do, it's not so hard. So this side is the clip coming from the light. I'm gonna get a little screwdriver in there to pop the clip, and then it pulls right apart. Real easy. Okay. So now the bumper should come off. And there's some lights in here. Oh, one more screw right there. I never have anybody to help. Day 2, I didn't have enough time yesterday. It's already almost 1 o'clock the next day, and just getting started on this now. I only spent about an hour and a half on this yesterday, removing the bumper, and I got 2 of 8 bolts removed from the catalytic converter to turbo, and those are going to be difficult, but I also got to remove the O2 sensors. So I'm going to start with the O2 sensors, try to get those out of the way, and then get back at the bolts connecting the exhaust link pipe or catalytic converter to the turbo. There's 4 on each turbo, and the top 2 are going to be real difficult to get to, so that might take me a whole day just to get all those off little bit at a time. So let's get to it. 22mm wrench for the O2 sensor. All right, that was easy. These other ones don't. Oh, that'll do it. All right. Let's just put it there. Okay, yes, this is a lightweight system. So, quick sound clip with no exhaust at all. Wait a second. Here, do me a favor. If you dare.
I do. Of course I dare.
Get some video of those turbines spinning. Can you see the turbines?
I can.
From there?
Stinky mod.
Sounds like an 87 Cavalier.
Sounds like
with a hole in the exhaust.
Alright, you ready for this?
Yeah. So much lighter. Oh my god. It's awesome.
Your exhaust like drops down and you can put a wrench on it and move it more than 1
Did you
millimeter.
turn that real quick?
I got it pretty good though. Shutting it. It's toy, like a toiga.
So just
They would probably have to both line up on the just on the edge.
let me see it. I'm gonna switch sides.
Could you not put the heat shield through the bolt?
The heat shield's gonna have to come up and over and on the outside.
Oh.
But
ow! Titanium's hard.
It's a celebratory drink. Go fuck yourself and you want to arson burn your Jeep drink.
I'm just trying to get it aligned with that freaking screw hole, but you have to push it up, and the O2 sensor's in the way from that. Scratch that.
Okay. Here goes, brand new exhaust.